Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Das Angebot. In the last lesson, we talked about the act of offering something. And today, we'll talk about the offer. Das Angebot. Das Angebot. Das Angebot. Das Angebot. Das Angebot is not a but or something similar. It's a neutral das noun, meaning offer, bid, or proposition. The plural is die Angebote, offers. Obst und Gemüse sind heute im Angebot. Fruit and vegetables are on special offer today. Here you can see how im Angebot means on special offer. Ich akzeptiere das Angebot gerne. I'm happy to accept the offer. Unser Laden bietet ein breites Angebot an Produkten. Our shop offers a wide range of products. Wir haben vom Kunden noch keine Antwort auf unser Angebot erhalten. We have not yet received a response to our proposal from the client. Ein sehr gutes Angebot. A very good offer. Die Schuhe sind das Angebot des Monats. The shoes are the bargain of the month. Ein breites Angebot. A broad or wide selection. Er machte mir ein Angebot. He made me an offer. And ein Angebot, das man nicht ablehnen kann. An offer you can't refuse. So in today's lesson, we learned the neutral noun das Angebot, meaning offer. And now it's time for a quick exercise or Übung. Angebot or anbieten. Write the answers to this exercise in the comments and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Find out if you won a complete A1 German course and get the answers to this exercise in the next lesson. Good luck! Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!